everyone, Natalie here with Veranda Properties. I am about to give you an exclusive tour into one of our properties that we just onboarded this week. It will be available very soon for rent, but it literally sits on an acre of land out here in Cocoa, Florida. It's like your own little oasis. I cannot wait to show you inside. Let's go check it out. And there you have it, friends, this beautiful home in Cocoa, Florida. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, upgraded completely with all the bells and whistles that you would possibly want in your rental. It has a pool, it has a hot tub, it has a huge garage, whether you have an RV, a boat, whatever it is you would like to store. It sits on an acre of land, so it's perfect for that summertime entertainment, whether it be family or friends. So if this rental sounds like it would be perfect for you, be sure to keep an eye out on our website, www.verandaproperties.com. Go ahead and register to be notified for when this home is ready for showings, and hopefully you can call this one your home. Until next time, bye.